How to transfer money from Capital One to Wells Fargo. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to move money from the Capital One to the Wells Fargo. So it's an easy and a quick process, so make sure that you follow along closely. So I'll walk you through using the most recent version of the Capital One mobile banking app. To start, download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Log in with your details and then proceed to connect your Wells Fargo account to your Capital One account. To do this, go to your profile and then account and the feature settings where you will see the option to manage external accounts. Add your Wells Fargo account by entering the required details. Once connected, go back to the main menu, choose the account you want to transfer money from and tap on it and then select the transfer option. Confirm the source account and pick Wells Fargo as a destination and input the amount you wish. If the funds are available, you can finalize the transfer. I trust that this guide was informative on transferring money from the Capital One to the Wells Fargo account. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.